Welcome back to the rest of this exercise on line graphs. And I just left my computer on the page that we just finished in the last video. So if you need to find this, we are in the module on two variables, and we're over in the line graph exercise. So if you go ahead and turn the page, it wants us to use our line graph to answer the questions. Find mean, median, mode, and range, and describe the trend. And we already talked about the trend a little bit, but we'll do that again in just a second. So the first thing I want to find is mean, and this is good review. We haven't done this in a little while, so the first thing I want to do is draw my top line for mean. And I need to add up the prices for the 5 weeks. And then we're going to divide by the 5 weeks. So looking back at your graph on the previous page, I'm not going to flip back there. I'm just going to add up my prices using my calculator. The first week was $3.39, $3.52, $3.84, $3.78, and $3.69. And I get a total of $18.22. And I want to divide that by the 5 weeks to get my mean. And it may be ugly. Sometimes these decimal numbers are. I don't know how bad this one. It's not actually. So we have 3.644. So you need to round. So the mean is about $3.64. And since this is gasoline that we're talking about, we could really leave it with 3 decimal places. That's how gasoline is metered. So you could even leave that if you wanted to. But since we're usually rounding, I'll just go ahead. So the mean is $3.64, approximately. To get median, remember, median is the middle score in an ordered list. So I need to put my prices in order. And I do want to go back to the graph in just a second. I want to show you something. And I'm completely not paying attention. The next price is $3.69. Then $3.78. And $3.84. So the middle score is $3.69. And let me go back here just a second and show you something. Do you see how this line, the trend is variable? It is not straight up or straight down. If it looked like this or this, you could do a median without having to put them in order. But because this graph is not straight up or straight down, I know that I have to put my scores in order. They're not in order right here. You've got them variant. They're all over the place. So you don't want to make that mistake of saying, oh, the middle one is $3.84 at week 3. They must be in order. So your graph can help you decide if you need to write them or if they're good to go. And because this graph is variant, I need to write them in order or I'll miss the median. Okay, the mode. I like to put them in order because that helps me very much with mode. Mode is the one that I see the most. So if there is one that is repeated, you will see it when they're in order. And in this case, there's no mode. None of them are the same. All of the weeks were different. So there's no mode. Remember, you don't put 0 because that would mean that there's $0 per gallon. And to find the true range, you take the maximum price which was $3.84, minus the minimum price, which is $3.39, and you're going to subtract those on your calculator. And there is a range of 45 cents. So over this month interval, or 5-week interval, there was a range of 45 cents. The gas prices changed within that range. The trend we've already talked about. Remember, this is a positive trend, a negative trend, but ours is a variant trend because it's not positive or negative. It varies from week to week. So I would describe it as variant or variable. I don't think the test would use this term, but it could. You could say that it's up and down. You could say that it's not constant. So any of those terms or adjectives would describe this graph in data. You could also say rising and falling. That would be another one. Okay, that brings us to the end of 2 variable data. So when I see you in the next module, we will be looking at probability, and then we will be finished with this course. So I will see you soon, and I hope you have a great day.